Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to explain about this method that I create, which is called ideal star switching method. So here's what it sounds like. Okay, so imagine that we are doing a certain task. Let's say we call it as task A. And after we have done doing task A, we want to do task B. However, there is this problem when we want to switch between tasks. So if we switch tasks and we failed in that switching, because you see, if we want to switch between task A and task B, most of the time the context between these two tasks is different. Therefore, we are having a hard time to make sure we need to exert some efforts when we want to switch tasks between task A and task B because the context is different. And if we fail to do so, we probably will have this procrastination stuff, such as watching social media, scrolling TikTok, etc. And that's what happened if, okay, at least I don't know about you, but for me, this happens occasionally. And I think there is a science behind this. Kind of forget about the name, but it actually happened like this. Okay, well, to switch tasks, we procrastinate. And so the question is, how do we solve this problem? And for me, this is actually what makes me do this ideal task switching method. And between these two tasks, between task A and task B, we do this controllable fun. For me, I actually have this MP3 player. So after I've done task A, I listen to a podcast that I like through this MP3 player. And this MP3 player definitely doesn't distract me because there is no internet in this tool. And which means it is controllable and it is fun. So that is the solution. Doing the task first, do controllable fun, and do the next task. And so let's put this in a concrete example. For me, when the night came, let's say I'm brushing my teeth in that night. Now, after I finish brushing my teeth, I want to prepare my bed. But before I prepare my bed, well, I listen to a podcast first, maybe for 5 minutes. And after I've listened, then I prepare my bed. Well, for me, before I do this technique, I usually have this reluctant feeling to prepare my bed. Maybe I don't know, I just do daydreaming, whatever. And now, because I listen to podcasts that I find it fun, probably I will be less reluctant to prepare my bed. So that's what my method is. I hope you found it interesting. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.